liposomes were actually discovered and created back in the 60s for the purpose of having an artificial cell. They wanted to make something that was as close in structure to a cell in your body as they could. And as it turns out, the membrane around the liposome, which is two lipid cells together, it's called a bilayer membrane, is virtually identical to the membranes, the cell membranes of all the different cells inside your body. So to a great degree, they achieved its goal. And as it also turns out, something that's very little emphasized is the cells in your body naturally form what you could call liposomes of variable size. They call extracellular vesicles, exosomes. All of these things will encapsulate different products inside one cell and release them so that they can be transported to another cell. It's a primary form of intercellular communication. So in every sense of the word, the liposomes that are produced, in this case by Live-On and Altriant, containing vitamin C or another product, actually serve in the same way that cells communicate with each other to naturally deliver that. And it's delivered by two different mechanisms. When you make the liposome small enough, it passes through the natural existing pores that are in the cell so that it can go inside the cell, and then all the intracellular organelles, the lysosomes, the mitochondria, the endoplasmic reticula, all have this same bilayer membrane around them. So the liposome inside the cell can merge with those walls and deposit their substance also into the nucleus. Or if it doesn't pass through the pore, it can just merge with the outer wall of the cell and deposit the contents inside the cytoplasm. And as we had mentioned earlier, all this is done with a high degree, close to 100% absorption in the gut, and apparently no consumption of energy, which usually occurs when you need to get any substance from the outside, the extracellular space, to the inside, the intracellular space of the cell.